Hello everyone friends, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install the XRaY texture pack for Minecraft 1.2.1.5, and really for any version. First, open your browser and search for XRaY Ultimate. Go to Forge, then Files. In our case, we're interested in the 1.21.5 version. You could download a lower version too, right? But generally we want 1.21.5. This version will work for us. Yes, 1.21.5 snapshot, click download. After that, type run in the search box. Go in, click on %data, enter the percentage, click OK. Now open Minecraft, open resource packs, and drag it there. Then in the game, simply enable it. That's all there is to it. This has been Velour. See you all later.